Welcome to the 2023-2024 school year at Wayzata Central Middle School, and welcome to our math families in 7th grade. The purpose of this video is to give you some information about who your students' teachers are and to provide you with a guideline as to what you can expect and your students can expect throughout the year. The 7th grade math team is made up of 5 wonderful teachers. On the blue team is Josh Griebel. The green team is Lisa Brua. Tucker Reek is on the purple team. Molly Latcham is on the silver team, and Aisha Warner is on the gold team. Here at Central Middle School, we use the Core Connections curriculum from College Preparatory Mathematics. Core Connections is a 3-year program that is designed to prepare students for a rigorous college preparatory high school math course. Students in 7th grade will be taking either CC2, which is the 7th grade math class, or CC3, which is the accelerated math class. Core Connections will help students utilize multiple strategies in order to solve problems and recognize the connections that exist between these concepts. Every day in the classroom, students will engage in the mathematical practices of problem-solving strategies, questioning, active investigation, and then analyzing critically the work that they've gathered together. They will construct evidence to help justify their thinking, and through their teams, they will provide rigorous communications and arguments that will support their learning. Under their teacher's guidance, students will learn in collaboration while others will be sharing information, expertise, and ideas. Students taking the CC2 class will begin their year understanding the properties and functions of fractions, proportions, percentages, and decimals. We will continue to work through this information and gather it to perform arithmetic operations in word problems and algebra. We will then move towards inequalities and transformations and similarities. We will do statistics, and finally, we will end our year with geometry. Students taking the Accelerated Math CC3 class will work through multiple representations of linear functions. These representations will include graphs, tables, equations, and word problems. We will work through systems of equations that are linear and then move towards sequences and nonlinear functions with exponents, and then move back into slope and association with linear functions. We will spend time towards the end of the year learning the Pythagorean theorem and exploring all of the additional information we can gather from the Pythagorean theorem. We will close our year with inequalities, absolute values, and coordinate geometry. Chapter tests or unit tests will make up 100% of your child's letter grade. These will be given at the end of each unit, and you will have plenty of time for your student to review the information with you and with their teachers prior to their assessment. Homework and Friday formatives are given on a weekly basis. These do not impact your child's letter grade. We refer to them as formative grading. You can find these grades on your child's Canvas page. Each teacher will use Canvas a bit differently. Please log in to Canvas and check your child's class. You should be listed as an observer. All of the information pertaining to class, grades, assignments, and when things are due can be found on your Canvas homepage in the calendar section. If you have questions or concerns, please feel free to email or call your child's teacher. You can find your child's teacher's email and telephone number on the following slides, or you can find it on the Canvas homepage, and in addition to that, you can also find it on the Wayzata Central Middle School homepage. We are so grateful and thankful to partner with each of our Central Middle School families. We look forward to working with you and your children this year for another successful and great year at Central Middle School.